2021 after my grandfather died. Siya yung tumayong tatay ko and all of a sudden, he left us due to heart attack. You know, in life, we are dealt with different cards, right? Iba't iba ang barang ibinigay sa akin at nasa sa atin na yun kung paano natin yung gagamitin. Pero ang barang ibinigay sa akin ay ang mawalan ng tatay, magkaroon ng tough love na nanay, at kunin ng alaga at aruga sa kanyang lolo at lola. Kaya nung nawala ang lolo ko, I was angry. Hindi ako mapakali. It was very painful. I was angry, I was upset, I was craving so bad for a life where we would never even think of a single penny para lang makabili ng gamot, para lang makapagpa-check up to get the operations that each of my family would need in case of emergencies. Kasi kung maaalala mo na noong bata ka, nasa ospital kayo, tapos sisingilin kayo ng malaki ng doktor, tapos maaalala mo na yung lolo mo nasa PGH, kasama niyo yung 100 pasyente doon, lahat sila pawisan. Tapos yung lolo mo, makikita mo, nasa bintana, pinipilit kumiti at kumaway sa'yo. Mahirap maging mahirap pagdating sa buhay na ng mahal mo yung pinag-uusapan. I told myself that I already lost my father. I already lost one. And I won't lose another one just because of this kind of life. At dito na pumasok ang sense of urgency. Sinabi ko na kailangan ko agad mabago yung sitwasyon sa bahay. Kailangan mabago ang sitwasyon na